Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Trade with Precision free newsletter. You are speaking with Hao from Trade with Precision trading team. Today I'm going to look at Australian dollar because from the chart I do see some weakness is coming in from Australian dollar. And first one I'm looking at is AUD against USD. On the daily chart, first line, this is still stuck in a big trading range, the top of the range, bottom of the range. But why I like the chart right now is instead of moving laterally between the top and the bottom, the price has just found resistance at the center of the trading range. This tells me something has changed. The balance has changed for the Australian dollar. Why? Because the price, number one, is 7600 performs as a strong resistance. Then the price has broken down the low of last Friday. So this all signals a potential weakness to the downside. So that's why I'm keen to look for potential shorting opportunities from AUD USD. And the not intermediate, but shorter term target will be the bottom of the trading range, which is around the 7500 level. So not necessary from the daily chart, but on some lower time frames. For example, on the 1 hour chart, I do see a nice flat level has formed around this 75.55 level around there. The price has been has touched this level first time, second time. What I'm stalking now is for another test around the same level. For example, for the price to rally up a little bit and then rolling down for another attempt, then I'll be stalking closely for a potential breakout trade for the AUD USD. Then this is the first one. Next one I'm looking at is Euro against Australian dollar. So first line, this is also stuck in a range, lower high and higher low. So there's no real momentum for the Euro AUD on the longer term time frame. But on this, in that case, the major support resistance lines plays an important role for this range bound market, especially where the price has found support as 1.4, this big psychological level. And last Friday, is bullish candle confirmed support. Then today the price has rallied away from this 1.4 level. So this all indicates to me the price is more likely to move towards the top of the trading range, which is around, I should say, 1.42 level around there. So that's why a shorter term opportunity might present on the lower time frame to the upside. And what I can see here is on the 1 hour chart, price has broken out of a consolidation range as well. So the top of the range is 1.4041 around there. So I'm waiting for the price to pull back towards the top of this trading range on the 1 hour chart. Then also if I draw a Fibonacci retracement line from this low up to the high, this is also at 61.8% retracements. So there are multiple technical factors pointing the price to reverse up from this 1.40540 level around there. So that's why I'm keeping a close eye on for a Euro AUD for the coming 4 to 8 hours to see if the price can comes back towards there and confirm support. Then I'll be keen to look for a long trade setup from there. And if I do get a setup from 1 hour chart, this will be a really great potential risk reward trade, because I think if I can get a good entry and a tight stop, then I only need the price to retest the high back here, then there will be more than 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk reward for the move. The last one on your on Australian dollar pair is the pound against Australian dollar. On the daily chart, we can see the trend is to the upside on the daily. The next major resistance level is around 1.67 ish around here. I might drag it down a little bit lower, and then the price still has some, say, 80 or 90 pips to go before it hits the next resistance. So that's why this is suitable for short-term trade. Why I like the chart is after the price pulls back into the buy zone on the daily, then the price has actually confirmed strong support at this level. And with a bullish candle on Friday, today the price has broken up the high of last Friday. That's why the momentum is more likely to continue move to the upside. That's why stalking in intraday trade from a lower time frame, similar to the Euro AUD on the 1 hour chart, on the GBP AUD 1 hour chart, the price also has broken through a major resistance level around 1.6560 ish, around there. Similarly, if I draw a Fibonacci retracement line from the low to the high, this is also a 61.8% retracement as well. So I'm looking for a small bullish candle sitting on top of this level, and it should be acting as a strong support. Then this will offer me a potential long trade opportunities if that really sets up. And potential risk reward is also very great on the GBP AUD as well. Yep, hope that helps everyone.